Students, welcome again to the Math Online class. The topic what we are going to start today is based on the real life situations. The problems what is based on real life situation involving what? Which topic we are doing right now? Decimals. So, when I am talking about real life situation involving decimals means that we are going to do the word problems based on it. In my previous video, that is of yesterday, I have told you how we can use decimals in the metric units. Metric units means units of length, mass and capacity. Today we will be doing more on the same topic, decimals. Here when we will be doing the story problems or the word problems, we will be understanding some situations. And then based on those situations we will be using the number operations, children. Now when we will be using the number operations, there whatever we have learned till date, all the topics of the decimal chapter, we will be using those things in these questions. So let's begin, children. Total in exercise 6K, this video is for exercise 6K and we will be doing question number 1 to question number 7. This exercise is containing these many questions. Out of these 7 questions, I will be explaining what is being said or what is being told or what is being demanded in the question. Then you will be doing the solution to it. Let's begin, children. First one says, a man walks in succession. Succession means successively, or I should say one after the another. But means that man has not stopped walking. In this question we are talking about the distance covered by a man. And when we are talking about distance covered by a man, that man is continuously walking. Succession means continuously. So there man is walking through the streets of length. How many streets he crossed? He crossed 5 streets. First length what he crossed, the first street is 578, second street 890, third 165. This man, in question number 1, a man is there and this man is going through first street. This is the first, then second, then third, then fourth, and the last is the fifth. He is crossing through 5 streets, and after crossing through these 5 streets he has come here and continuously he is walking, that is in succession he is walking. The first length what he has covered is 578 meter, then it is 890 meter, then we have 165 meter, 98 meter and 631 meter. These lengths he is covering. Now the question is demanding that find how many kilometers he has walked. From here till here, the distance what he has covered, you have to find that, and that also in kilometers. So after finding the total distance covered, since it is given in meter, you will be converting into kilometers. So what we will be using? Along with the operation addition, we will be using how to use the decimals for converting the metric units. So first what you will be writing, the distance of the first street, second street, third street, fourth and fifth. Write all. Do the addition of all. 578 meter, then 890 meter, 165 meter, 98 meter and 631 meter. Add them all. Once you will add, you will be getting the answer in meter, 16, 18, 24, 27 and 36, 8, 16, 17 and 6 is 23 meter. This you got the answer in meter. You will be changing it into kilometer. Now again K, H, D, U, D, C, L. Now here you have meter. This meter has to go to kilometer. How many steps it's going? 1, 2, 3. That means I will be dividing it by 3 zeros. Since it is going upwards, divide by 3 zeros. So the answer comes here is 2.362 kilometer. Since the decimal point is here, it will go backward. We are doing divide, so it will go backward, and you will have 3 decimal places. Now question number 2 says, distance from a town A to town B is 19.85. A, B. This is the total distance we are talking about. Okay. This much is 19.85 kilometer total. Now, of this distance, from this distance, children, this is downhill, uphill, and this is in level. Okay. Here the distance is in level. This is when we are going downhill. Okay. And this is uphill. Uphill means upward side, downhill, downward side. Now they are saying that when it is covering this much, this is 6 kilometer, 760 meter. This is the downhill distance. Then when he is on the level of the ground, this level of the ground is 6 kilometer, 68 meter. Now you have to find out that what is the distance of uphill. This much distance you have to find. Okay, till here. Because this is the level distance. So what we will do, children, here? First, you will be adding the downhill plus the level distance. After adding these two, the answer what you will get will be subtracted from the total distance. And what is the total distance, children? Total distance is 19.85 kilometers. So when you will add these two, you should bring it in kilometer. Okay. When you will add these two, you should get it in kilometer. Now how you will get this is 6.068 and this is 6.760. This is I am writing in kilometer. How did I got this? This is meter. Meter change into kilometer, divide by 1000. So this is 6 plus 68 divided by 1000. 3 zeros are there. So you got 6 plus. Okay. And once you get this, your number is this much. After adding these two, subtract it from 19.85. This will come here. And write that here, get the answer. Understood, children? Hope you will be able to do it. Or should I do? Let's do it. This is 8, 12, 8.12. Now this 12.828 will come here. Here we have nothing, put a 0 and do the subtraction. The answer you will get is in kilometer. Now the question number 3. Question number 3 says, a pistol is there, children. Okay, let's have this pistol. See, this is my pistol. Okay. And this is the barrel from where the gunshots comes out. So now this barrel is made up of metal. External diameter, let us take this barrel as circular shape. Now this barrel is made up of metal. This is the metal used, its thickness. Now the internal diameter is this much. Okay, internal diameter is this much. What is the meaning of diameter? Diameter is crossing through the center. Now this diameter I don't know. I know the diameter of this much. This much diameter is given. The external diameter is given. Okay. This external diameter is given as 1.62 centimeter. Then the thickness of the metal is given as 7 millimeter. Thickness means this much. This is given. This is 7 millimeter. Okay. Now when I am doing 7 millimeter and this is in centimeter. First I centimeter. So when millimeter will be converted into centimeter, this will be divided by 10 and you will get 0.7. Okay. Once you get 0.7, now this is also there and this one is also there. I have to find the internal diameter, children. Now to find out the internal diameter, you will be subtracting from the external this much and this much. When will be subtracted, I will be getting the inner diameter. So for that, 1.62 is the outside one, this total. Subtracted from this, I will be subtracting from 0.7 plus 0.7. Why? Because this is 0.7, this is 0.7. And when I will be subtracting this will become 1.4. And now 1.62 subtracted from 1.4 will be giving you, here you have 2, because here you have 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, decimal point as it is, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again children, the thing what you have to understand here is that the barrel what we are talking about is of circular shape. When we are talking about circular shape, this is the external boundary of the gun. And this is the internal side, the inside one. From here, this space, the gun shots comes out. This is the external diameter given, that is 1.62 centimeter. Then the thickness is given, this thickness is given. Okay, this thickness is 0.7. Okay, what you have to find is, you have to find this length, the black length. How you will do it? From the total length, subtract this and this. After subtracting these two lengths, you will get the inner length. Hope you will understand this. Again, I have explained you this diagram, which is the most important thing here. Understand the question, then only do the solution as I have given. Statements I am not writing here, children, that is your part, you will do it. Now question number 4. Arun had this much in the bank. He withdrew. Withdrew means to take out. Depositing is to add on. Withdrawing is to taking out. And when we take out something, so which number operation we will do? We will do subtraction. And when we deposit, we add on. And when we are adding, that is the addition operation. So this question number 4 is very simple. It is to the point. Take the total amount as the given, that is 965 and 27 paisa. From this total amount, how much is being withdrawn? That is 209 and 98 paisa. Now since you are withdrawing is to take out, and for taking out and for finding the remaining amount, do the number operation of subtraction. Clear? The question number 5 says, a jug containing this much liter of water starts to leak. Again here I will be explaining it through the diagram, children. This is the fifth part, sorry. Fifth part, it says a jug is there. Okay. Now let's make a jug. This is a jug. Okay. Now this jug has how much water? The water is still here. This much is the water quantity in the jug. From this quantity of water, it has started to leak. From here only the water has started to come out. When the water has come out, till the time I stop this leaking, how much water has come out? This water, the capacity of the water which has come out is this much. This much water has come out. Okay. From 1.5 liter, this much water has come out. Now it has come out, that means we are taking out, and when we are taking out something, again which operation we will use? We will use subtraction. So first you will be subtracting from 1.5, you will be subtracting, first convert into liter. How we will convert? In my yesterday's video I have taught you how to convert milliliter into liter. See, I have written the metric units. Milliliter is here, liter is here. It is going upside. How many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 times it's going, that is why I am writing 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. After that, subtract from here. This you will be getting the left out water into it. Then the third part it says, whatever the water is left, now since it has gone down, so the water level has come here now. I have used my different pen ink to show you the left water here. Again, when this much water is there, children, I am pouring some water inside. How much water did I pour? 1 liter water I have again poured into it. Question is having 3 parts. First, the total amount of the water is there. Then the water has come out. This much water is left. Again I am pouring water. How much? 1 liter. After pouring 1 liter of water, what is the water amount in the jug? This you have to find. So first, did the subtraction. Answer what you got. In that, you will be adding 1 liter of water, what I have poured afterwards. So the answer you will get will be after adding. So 2 operations you will use here, children. First, the answer what you got here is the first step. Second step, whatever the answer you got, that plus 1 liter will be your answer. Okay? Hope you have understood this question now, children. Still we are having 2 more questions left. We have done till question number 5. Question number 6 says, Sachin weight is this much before he became ill. In the first week, he lost 2.9 kg, but in the second week, he gained. What was the total weight at the end of the second week? This is Sachin, children. Okay. Sachin weight is given as 52.8 kg. This is the weight he has. From this weight, he lost. Lost means that he has lose. That means the weight has gone out. Now it has gone out, or I should say it has moved out. How much it has gone? 22.9 kg. When he lost this, which operation we should use? First we will use the operation of subtraction. Then the weight what you are having, remaining weight, on this again he gained. Gain means he put on. How much he has put on? He has put on this much weight now. Here he lost. He has put off. Here he has put on. Gained. How much he has gained? Gain means addition. Losing means subtraction. Remember the words losing, subtraction, gain is addition. So the answer what you will get is, after losing, the weight here will be added up with the gain weight, and then this is your answer what you get. Okay. Now the last question, question number 7. Question number 7 is we are talking about a book. Okay. So for that, I am showing you this book. Okay. Now see this book, children. Here you have, when we cover this book, where do we use the cover? This side and this side. That means 2 times we use. First cover is this one. Second cover is this one. 2 covers. Each cover, if we talk about, only the front page. When I talk about each cover, only front. If I talk about both, that means this plus this. Why I am showing this, children? Because in the question number 7, this is being said that a book is there which is 5 centimeter thick. Now see this book. This is my book. How much thick? Thick is this one. This is the thickness. How much thickness is this? This is the thickness. See this thickness. This is the thickness. How much is the thickness? 5 centimeter. Then each cover is 1.5 millimeter thick. Now when I am talking about each cover, that means this cover. This is each cover. The cover what I am using on this surface is 1.5 millimeter. So the cover I will be using back also, because without the 2 covers a book is uncovered. So they are talking about that how much thick is the book without its cover. Understood the question? First what we will do, how much thick it is? It is 5 centimeter thick. Now I have shown you, children, that the cover, when we talk, it is both the sides. Now one side cover is given as 1.5 millimeter. So 2 side cover what? We will add. This is 3.00 millimeter. Now this is centimeter, this is millimeter. Can we do subtraction? No, we cannot do. Why? We will be making it same first. And when milli, this is K, H, B, U, D, C, M. This is millimeter. I have to go to centimeter. How many steps upward we are going? 1. That means my decimal point will go 1 step backward. So this becomes 0.30 centimeter. Now subtract 5.0, 0.30. This is 0, take the borrow, becomes 4.7 centimeter. Why did I subtract? Because they are asking you the book without the cover. That means I am taking out the cover from both the sides. So one side is 1.5, second side is 1.5. Adding them up, getting it, change in centimeter and then do the subtraction. Okay, this is how you will be doing 7 questions of this exercise 6K. See children, statement is not important. I won't be cutting the marks for statement, but the solution is important and every step will have the marks. If I am telling you that this is having first step, that means in the question, if it is of 3 marks, this will have 1.5, this will have 1.5. Any step you missed, your marks will be deducted. Okay? Watch this video carefully, do the questions with your understanding, copy it in your notebook during the times allotted to you. Best of luck for your PT2 exam children. Today is your PT2 exam, so best of luck for that. Thank you and have a nice day.